This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 5, Lesson 3. In this lesson, we're going to use number bonds to help us decompose numbers so we can add to the next 100 and beyond. If I look at the first problem, I'm adding 380 plus 30. I'm going to decompose 30 so I can go from 380 to 400 to begin with. That means I'm going to break 30 into 20 and 10. That allows me to combine the 20 with the 380 to get 400, and then add the 10 to get a final sum of 410. The related addition problem is 380 plus 130. Well, 130 is just 100 more than the 30 we added in the first problem. So 380 plus 130 is 510. In the next problem, I'm adding 50 to 470. Well, to get to the next 100, which is 500, I need 30 more because 30 and 70 would get me to the next 100. So I'll break the 50 down into 30 and 20. That way I can add 470 plus 30 to get 500. 20 more gives me a sum of 520. The related addition problem is 470 plus 150, and again it's just 100 more than the original problem. So this sum is 620. And finally I have 650 plus 80. So I want to get to the next 100, which is 700. I'm at 650. I need 50 more to get to 700, and that would break the 80 into 50 and 30. 650 plus 50 is 700, plus 30 more is 730. The related addition problem is 650 plus 280. This time I'm adding 2 more hundreds instead of just 100. That means I'm going to have 2 more hundreds in my hundreds place. Right now I have 730. If I add 2 more hundreds onto that, I will have 930. In this section, I'm going to follow a similar strategy, only this time we're using the unit form of the number. Instead of saying 660, we're calling it 66 tens. Again, I want to add up to the next group of tens before I add more. I'm adding 66 tens to 24 tens. Well, if I add 4 tens onto 66 tens, that will give me 70 tens. Then I have 20 more tens when I decompose 24 tens into 4 tens and 20 tens. So 66 tens plus 4 tens is 70 tens, plus 20 tens is 90 tens. Here I'm starting at 65 tens and I'm going to decompose 25 tens. I'll take 5 tens and combine that with the 65 tens. That leaves me with another 20 tens. 65 tens plus 5 tens is 70 tens, plus 20 more tens is 90 tens. And here I have 67 tens, and I'm combining it with 23 tens. We'll break that down into 3 tens and 20 tens. 67 tens plus 3 tens is 70 tens. Again, we're adding 20 more tens for a sum of 90 tens. Here we're asking the value of a unit form number. If I have 86 tens, what is my total? 86 tens is the same as 860. It takes 80 tens to make 800, and then I have 6 more tens for 60. 860 altogether.